Hello guys, once again and welcome to my channel Everything That I Can. Today in this video we would be learning how to write text on a Python window on a Spider. I am using Spider IDE. So I would teach you how to write text on a game window. I have used the module pygame. So first I will run this program. It is very short and easy program. First I have run it and then see I can change the color of this text. I can write anything. I can select the size. I can change the font. I can change the size, color and its location also. So guys, let's get started. I will make a new file and then we will make this. So first we start by importing pygame. I'm using pygame module and then I will initialize it pygame.init and then we will create a window like I have created in this program. As you can see, window is equals to pygame.display.set mode. So I will create a window here also. Window is equals to pygame.display. So pygame.display.set mode, and then we will write the size like we will make 600 by 600. So let's make, and then we will write the text length or text width size where we have taken here text length and text width. So we would be using this and we would be using it to display the text. Okay, so here, so I noticed that we are not using it here, so I will remove this. I would written this unnecessarily. So first we have written a function of font, def font. This is a function. So we def use for function. So font 1 we have selected the font. So we have selected the font here and the size. So this is 25. The 25 is the size. This which you are seeing 25 is the size, and this algerian is the font. As you know, algerian is a very famous font. So I've used algerian. This is my favorite also. So there I have taken the text. Then text I have used font one dot render. We use dot render in these writing text. So text is equals to font one dot render. This is a text example on a Python Spider IDE pygame window. So we can write anything like I will write my channel's name, everything that I can. So if I run this now, this will write everything that I can. So I can change the size, color, everything. So if I do it in gray color, the the color would be changed. See, it is in gray color. So here we can change size from like 50, then 50 the size is very big. Then if I do 60, then it would increase size. So that's algerian font it is following. And then win.blit.text. In this we have written text, and in text we have used the font one dot render, and then we have written this everything that I can, and then we have selected the color, and then we have updated the display state. So if we don't update it, then it would not respond and it would create a window which will, it would not respond. Like it is again, it is showing. If so, I've written pygame.display.update, so that's why it is showing that also. If I remove pygame.display.update, then it would make a blank window which would not respond after some time. So first I will end it from here because it is difficult to end it from there. So I will write this. So we can write this only one time. So win.blit.text. So I hope you understand this. Now we would be writing this program again. So first I will copy this one, Ctrl+C, and then now we will start. We have imported pygamer, so we weren't using it, and then we will make the function def font. Then first we will write this, and we have used the font one. Font one is equals to, we have selected the font algerian, so pygame.font.SysFont this font. Now we have to write the name and size. See, it is showing here. So first we will write the name like algerian, and then like size I will take 50. So that's good. Font 1, it is showing that it is assigned but never used, so now we will use it here. Text is equals to font 1 dot render. So I have used font 1 here. Font 1 dot render, and then we will write the text as we have written here. As you can see, we have written here everything that I can text which we have to write in the program. So let's write everything that, that I can, and then it is analysis. So we'll write this also like 5. I prefer 5 for every program which you are writing. Then color, let's select color, this. So this is the color, and then we will make the brackets. So now then it is used, then we will use win.blit, and then we will write text here, and then we will assign the size to the location to it here. See, 100 by 100 is the location, so it is placed somewhere at the top in this window. So now we will be placing it at the middle. So text, and then middle 600 by 600 should be 300 by 300. So now it is placed in the middle, but we need to use this function def font, and then we will start run is equals to true, then while run then we will take that which I have copied for event. This is the exit program, like. So this is very like important. The if you don't write this program, then it will not exit the program smoothly. It will the program will not respond, the window will not respond. So now we will now write the function here def, sorry, font we will write def, we will not write here font we have write, and then pygame.display.update. So this looks good, and then pygame.quit. So this is like almost complete in 19 lines, almost 20 lines. Pygame.display.update. Now let's run this. Nothing is missing. Oh, I have written the spelling wrong. I have written display. Sorry for that. I will change that. Pygame.display. Now it's correct. Now let's run this. Now let's run this. See, it is showing, but it is big in size, so it is exceeding the screen. So we will set the size to 10. So now it is very small, we don't need it like that, so let's take 20. Yes, now it looks good, but now change also. Now I will write only YouTube, so let's write only YouTube. This looks good. So now if I run it, see, it is displaying the text in green color. 0,255,0 is this is the color RGB value. If you have seen my previous video, I have given the colors modules RGB list. In those video description, I have given the RGB color list. In this video description also, you can check there. And this is a very small code, so I have given it in the description. You can copy it from here and then paste in your IDE. So it is very easy to understand. If you do, I hope that you have understood this very clearly. We can change size, color, and location, and we can change the text also. So first I will explain it again. We have first imported pygame, and then we have initialized it, and then we have set a window, and then we have made a function of font. First we have used font one. First we have mentioned the font, and then this font I have used in the text. Font one dot render is a very important function. So please don't forget to write this, or your program will not work properly. I this is the like main. If you don't write this, then like everything is main in this program. If you remove anything, then it would not work properly. Then win.blit blit is a very important function. So I hope that you know it. Blit is like we display something on screen. So we are displaying text on screen. We can fill a button here, and then we are doing this full button here. And then we are. So I hope you have understood. Thank you guys. If you like this video and if this video was helpful to you, then please subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye guys.